So once again, welcome back on our YouTube channel, The Passion of Learning English. Today we are going to learn about the phrasal verbs and its definition, and we are going to make some sentences with these phrasal verbs. Those students who don't know how to use phrasal verbs, so this video is going to be more useful and more helpful for them. And you should know the phrasal verbs are the part of the paragraph, and these phrasal verbs come in our exams, it comes in the newspapers, so you should have the knowledge of the phrasal verbs, and it helps you in your English exams. So now let's know how to make the sentences, and before we start making the sentences, we should know the definition of it. So the definition of the phrasal verb: a phrasal verb is a verb phrase. A phrasal verb is a phrase which combines a verb with an adverb or preposition to create a meaning. And that meaning that is different from individual meaning. So phrasal verbs इस तरीके के वर्ब होते हैं जो कि सामान्य जो मीनिंग होती है उससे काफी अलग होते हैं, और ये एडवर्ब और प्रीपोजिशन से मिलकर बने होते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी, आई हैव रिटन सम phrasal verbs. First we should read it and then we will make the sentences. First is pull down. Pull down means गिराना. Put off means टालना. Pull up means झिड़कना. Pull out means बुझाना. Put on means पहनना. Bear down means दबाना. Take off means उतारना. Blow up means विस्फोट करना. Build up means मजबूत करना. Bring in means इकट्ठा करना. Walk out means बाहर जाना. Carry on means जारी रखना. And close up means बंद करना. And last is cry out means चिल्लाना. So these are the phrasal verbs, and you can see these are the verbs, and with these all verbs we are using like preposition, adverbs, like adverb, preposition, okay, preposition. So with every words we are using preposition and adverb somewhere. So now let's know how to make the sentence with these words. First sentence is pull down. You can use उसने मुझे गिरा दिया. So you can translate उसने मुझे गिरा दिया. So this sentence is in past indefinite. So we will make he pulled. Second form in past indefinite, he pulled down me. He pulled down me. Now next, put off, टालना. आपको यह काम टालना नहीं चाहिए. So आपको you should not टालना means put off. You should not put off this work. Now next sentence is pull up. Pull up means झिड़कना. मुझे झिड़को मत. So this sentence is in imperative. So don't pull up. झिड़कना means pull up. Don't pull up me. Don't pull up me. Next is put on. Put on means बुझाना. Like you can call दिया बुझा दो. So you can write put out the lamp. Put out the लैम्प, दिया मीन्स लैम्प। नाउ नेक्स्ट, पहनना। आप ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहन सकते हो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहन सकते हो। सो यू कैन नॉट पुट ऑन सच क्लॉथ्स। You cannot put on such clothes. Next is दबा देना। वह मेरे पैर दबा दे रहा है या वह मेरे पैर दबा रहा है। So you can write bear down. This sentence is in present continuous. So he is bearing down my legs. वह मेरे पैर दबा दे रहा है या मेरा पैर दबा रहा है। So you can write bearing down because this sentence is in present continuous. Now see next, take off. Take off means उतारना। So you can call आपको अपने जूते अभी नहीं उतारने चाहिए या आपको अपने जूते नहीं उतारने चाहिए। So also you can write आप अपने जूते उतार दो। So आप अपने जूते उतार दो। So you can make take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Next, blow off. Blow off means विस्फोट करना। So आतंकवादियों ने बम विस्फोट किया। So you can write आतंकवादी, टेररिस्ट, terrorists blew up the bomb. The terrorist blew up the bomb. Next is build up. Build up is मजबूत करना. You can use the sentence, for example, मैंने इस काम के लिए खुद को मजबूत किया। So I या किया है, मैंने इस काम के लिए खुद को मजबूत किया है। So I have built up myself for this work. I have built up myself for this work. So this sentence is in present perfect. Now next, bringing. Bringing means इकट्ठा करना। हम कपड़े इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं। So we are bringing in the clothes. We are bringing in the clothes. Now next is walk out, बाहर जाना। उसे घर से बाहर जाना चाहिए। So he should walk out from the house. He should walk out from the house. Now next, carry on, जारी रखना। यानी कि you can use आप इस काम को जारी रखिए। सो यू कैन राइट कैरी ऑन दिस वर्क, कैरी ऑन दिस वर्क। नेक्स्ट इज क्लोज अप। क्लोज अप मीन्स बंद करना। मैं अपनी दुकान बंद करने जा रहा हूं। सो आई एम गोइंग टू क्लोज अप माई शॉप। मैं अपनी दुकान बंद करने जा रहा हूं। सो आई एम गोइंग टू क्लोज अप माई शॉप। नाउ लास्ट, क्राई आउट। यू कैन राइट मुझ पर चिल्लाइए मत। सो डोंट क्राई आउट ऑन मी, मुझ पर ऑन मी। सो these are the uses of phrasal verbs, and we have just given you a demo how to use it. I hope this video has helped you so much and you have understood something. So once again, thank you so much for watching our channel.